If I like that, then I can just leave it like right like that, or I can move my light source to the other side, however I want to do it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead though with this because I think this looks pretty good. I'm using that viewfinder. I'm kind of thinking to myself what areas I want to include, and I'm closing one of my eyes to just always check that. Now what I'm going to start off with is I'm going to start with my white charcoal pencil, okay? So when you guys draw, you're going to first place all of your drawing in with a white charcoal pencil because it's super easy to erase, and you're going to keep it very, very light, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and set my board kind of on an angle like this so that I can kind of work, and I'm going to hold up my viewfinder. I'm going to close one of my eyes, and what I'm looking for now is just really big, basic shapes. So remember when we spent some time talking about negative space and like how to draw the negative space in the background, and Betty Edwards talked about that when she talked to you guys about the hands and stuff like that. So I could start looking at the negative space in the background if that was an easy way for me to start to set it up. So I'm going to go ahead and start drawing, and if you can't see what I'm doing, you're welcome to move. I'm drawing kind of this negative space in the background, and I'm going to draw part of this shirt. There's a big, big section of highlight. I'm keeping my eye closed, one eye closed. I'm kind of just drawing in these really big, basic shapes, and I'm not going to care if I get them accurate or not. I'm just kind of trying to get them as close as I can.
This is magical, Miss Hannah.
It is, huh? So I'm just kind of putting these basic shapes in here. Okay, now I'm kind of liking that. That looks pretty good. Now, the nice thing about this is, remember, nobody else is going to know if this is accurate or not. So, I mean, it needs to look kind of good, but at the same time, if it's a little off, it's not going to kill you. It's not going to hurt. I'm going to kind of put this collar in here right now. So again, I'm looking for these big, basic shapes. And it's okay if it's not totally accurate. I'm just trying to get everything sort of in place. One of the biggest things that I'm going to teach you on this lesson, or that I want you to focus on this lesson, is that you aren't going to spend your time in one little spot. You need to move around your picture, and you are going to be drawing. You're not going to spend lots and lots of time in one section and do all the detail in that section and then move forward. Instead, what I want you to do is think about this project like layers. So the first layer is to simply just get the outlines done. You're just kind of laying it down, okay? Somebody want to grab that?